How you doing? This is George, your number one source for construction and emergency equipment and safety strobe lighting, LEDs, etc. Here at Wicked Warnings with a nice 2018 Dodge Ram 1500. This is a tradesman series or just the basic plain Jane work truck. Came in here because somebody had attempted to install some strobe lights and basically destroyed both headlight lenses and both taillight lenses. So this is a truck that serves mine duty, works in an underground mine. So we opted to leave the headlights, the new headlights, sealed up and not drill any hideaways in them for longevity. We added our Thin-X LIN to the grill. The customer was concerned that in the headlights, the strobe lights were not quite bright enough, and we preferred, again, to leave those headlights totally sealed up because of the harsh environment that this truck works in. I would say this truck probably works in one of the harshest environments known to man. So Thin-X LIN series, surface mounted on that grill. Very simple, very easy to do. Fits any Dodge with a grill like this, chrome or black. Now that light will flash amber, it'll flash white, it'll flash amber and white, it'll steady white. This particular build, we just have a fast flash amber white alternation. Something real simple, real effective. What I'm most excited about on this build is around the back. We've got our 8-head Wicked stick hung from the headliner. We utilized the location of the coat hook, garment hook for our brackets. And I know a lot of guys are interested in how we hang those sticks. So let me show you. All right, so around the back here, you can see we definitely have our LED HAW Duo. We were able to install those in the reverse because the reverse is a single wall. There's a very low risk of any kind of an issue with the reverse, and we wanted that extra warning around the back. So we got permission and clearance to install the white HAW Duo low dome in the reverse. And above that, we have the 8-head Wicked stick. That's an amber and white stick. It'll flash amber, it'll flash white, it'll flash amber and white. And on this series of Dodge, you can feel free to go ahead and tie in the flood mode of the Wicked stick to the cargo light power. And you can see when the cargo light is turned on, the bed light, it also floods the Wicked stick. So that's no problem on this series Dodge Ram. It is untested on the 2020s as of today's date, but on this series Ram, we have no issues with activating the flood on the Wicked stick with the factory cargo switch. As soon as that cargo switch is turned off, right back to the warning mode. That is one of the alternating patterns that we have, kind of cycles through a couple of different ones. And pardon the shaky camera, I am hand holding it right now. But as you can see, we have bent up a piece of 1/8" aluminum there. We've removed the coat hook and we've installed the brackets right there where the coat hook was. The top screws were unnecessary. We got enough bite on the bottom screws to hold that stick without a problem. It is smushed up real nice and tight to the headliner, very secure. It rides about 1/8 inch away from the window glass. I've shook it. I don't have any issues with it hitting the glass. Now that bracket is just 1/8" aluminum. This piece right here is about 4 inches. This piece right here is about 2 1/4, and it's a simple bend. So that's all that was required for that. Very easy to use bracket. So that's it. I hope you were informed by this. Check out all of our other videos for great Dodge videos. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings. This is George. We'll see you on the next video.